Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add keyframes to your videos using CapCut PC. So you can add the keyframe for make a moving object or just um, create a zoom effect or create moving text, moving image and etc. So you can find the keyframe button. Just add your clip to the track. So you can select basic, 100% and size. On the right you can find the keyframe button. So just click on it to add a keyframe. Yeah, so you can make sure on the first frame, or just you can select the frame that you want to add the keyframe. So you can swipe to the right, swipe to the right, and you can resize. You can resize and adjust for the position. You can swipe to the right again and to as before until the end of the clip. So on. Alright. So the keyframe button added automatically, so you can see for the final result like this. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.